So this video is showing how the target matching doesn't work in Civil 3D. So I'm just going to create a drawing from scratch. So the targets have been set, and so one would expect that if I were to match the targets from this one, that this region would also go to that location. So I'm going to go ahead and select it. I'm going to go to Match Properties. This is going to be my source. I'm going to go to Settings, because I don't want to match the assembly or the frequencies, I just want to match the targets. And then I'll pick in this region, and nothing will happen. So it looks like in order to have the match regions work, the assembly names need to be the same, which is stupid. So if I come back in here, so my targets are set on this one, they aren't set in this one. So if I change this to proof that Autodesk sucks at machine learning, and then I run the command again, targets are only set. And so now it works, but they have to be the same assemblies or the same assembly. So I want to match the targets based on the values there. If you look at the help file, well, that's just great. It doesn't work. But if you do look at the help file, there is no criteria on the assemblies have to be the same. It just says if you want to do the targets, you do the settings, and then you select what parameters to match. So I wanted to match target, and then it doesn't allow you to set those targets. And so that's why Autodesk sucks at machine learning.